All right, here's the big reveal of the exterior. So we're gonna do a walk around and I will go over all of the things that have now been replaced, updated, or cleaned on the exterior of my 2006 Acura RSX Type S. This time, we're going to be changing out the headlights. And you may look at the headlights and be like, what? They're not bad at all. And they're not. But they're not great either. So this one over here on the driver's side is OEM and it's cloudy. It's not bad. I probably could polish it, but it's already starting to yellow, so it's a completely different color, not just cloudy. Then the passenger side right here, and the passenger side is an eBay special headlight. So I did invest in a set of headlights to swap on there because I wanted them both to match, and I wanted to clean up this one here. And the best way to do that was to purchase a set of headlights as a pair. With that said, I did not buy OEM. I did buy an aftermarket that was very well rated and respected in the RSX community, and they look phenomenal. So let's put them on and see what they look like. I'll take a video too of that next to the replacement, just so you guys can see how close they are, and hopefully we'll have a pair of matching headlights shortly. So here's the OEM headlight. Looks pretty good in the camera. And then here is the aftermarket. So I mean, they are identical, even down to that reflector there, that reflector, the orange. I mean, everything is the same shade and the same type of housing and lenses. So this still has some plastic wrap on it, but I mean, I'm really impressed with the quality of these. So let's get them put back in and our car will look a little bit better. Things to take care of. Obviously this is one. So this is the part that got overnighted from Japan. But the other thing that's been driving me crazy is, you see how this seal is starting to deteriorate? I've tried to live with it and I can't. Surprise, surprise, right? So taking a look at the inside, like the seal itself isn't too bad, but you can see it's starting to separate, and this is really dry and brittle. So what did I do? Well, I bought a brand new seal. So this is still available from Acura, and let's swap it out. So there's a screw right here, which I showed you in one of the other videos when we replaced this window trim right here. You do have to loosen this so that you can have some space in order to get this out. Here we are, finished product, brand new seal. What I love about this, obviously this is all fixed now and it's not here anymore, right? There's no more cracking, but also this is so seamless now, all the way down. Nice and clean. here's the big reveal. So exterior wise, we will go over everything that we did to the exterior of the car, and it was pretty massive. The car didn't necessarily need a lot, but maintenance wise and visual wise, there were some things that I really wanted to address. First things first, I had a big help from Tonkin Gresham Honda in Portland go over all of the rock chips with touch-up paint. So the paint looks pretty good now, as you can see with the reflection, but getting up here close, you can see all the rock chips that they repaired, and they did everything. It was very extensive all the way down to the bumper. It was pretty impressive, to say the least, and well worth the money. In addition to that, we had the plastic pieces all repainted, so they look brand new. Aftermarket headlights, and like I said, they were the same brand that originally had one aftermarket headlight before. So we'll go into some of the video there of replacing them. Coming up top, we've repainted all the black plastic here and here. We repainted the wiper blades, new wiper inserts. Haven't done anything with the wheels yet. We did repaint the plastic there and here. We got this area cleaned up quite a bit. So exterior wise, side profile, obviously still some dings. It's not perfect, it's not showroom quality, but it's not supposed to be. Come around to the passenger side. Well, before we do that, this is completely replaced, new OEM. This has been replaced. All the seals have been replaced. All along here, when I first got the car, this was bowed out on this side and the passenger side, and now it's sitting flush. So I'll come around back here. So we realigned the bumper so that all of the tolerances are very tight and very close. Still I'm going to put new gaskets on the taillights. We redid the paint on here all the way around. So back, you can see what that looks like. Pretty darn good looking, if I must say so myself. Passenger side wise, in the same boat as the driver's side. We have everything repainted. All the black plastic's been repainted. We have new seals, new pieces here. This one was really bad. When I got this, you could even see it in the pictures, it was basically out like this. And that plastic had just warped over time. So we have all brand new trim pieces, all brand new rubber all the way around, and then also black panel pieces. So from an exterior perspective, this thing is looking pretty darn good. There's not really much left to do except enjoy and drive it.